welcome. You are invited to sit comfortably with your feet resting on the floor. If it feels okay, you may close your eyes or simply lower your gaze. Begin by noticing your breath, just the gentle rhythm of breathing in and breathing out. Bring your attention to your feet on the floor, noticing the steady contact beneath you, the ground supporting your weight, holding you. Slowly allow your awareness to move up through your legs, your torso, noticing any places of tension. And if it feels right, letting those areas soften. Continue upward, letting your shoulders gently drop, letting your jaw relax, your face soften. With each breath in, you may notice steadiness. With each breath out, a quiet release. Take one more slow, intentional breath in, and as you breathe out, you may gently open your eyes or lift your gaze, bringing your attention back to the space around you. May this calm, grounded presence move with you,